little homies wanna be like on my knees in the night, saying prayers in the street light.
Been spending most of the night living